Am I the only one that didn't know buying BNB for gas fees was this easy? If you've ever gotten stuck on Binance, you're not alone. Let's break it down together, quick and clear. First, you'll need a Binance account. Head to the website or app, register with your email or phone, then complete identity verification. Just follow the prompts. Next, go to Buy Crypto. Choose credit card, bank transfer, or even P2P if you want. Select BNB as your coin, type in the amount you want, and finish up with the on-screen steps. Boom, you've got BNB. Now, whenever you make transactions on the BNB smart chain, like sending tokens or using dApps, your gas fees will come out of your BNB balance automatically. Want to save on fees? Try transacting during off-peak hours, batch your transactions, or check out Layer 2 options like OPBNB. And always keep an eye on gas prices using tools like Block Wallet. That's it, simple, fast, and ready to go.